All right, boys and girls, this is your overview video for week 30, the week of April 5th through April 9th. And we are in reading, and you can see here that this question focuses on two different things. So I'm going to read this to you. How does identifying the main idea and text structure help readers better understand and summarize an informational text? All right, so when we take a look at Monday's folder, on Monday during our live meeting, we are going to be introduced to a text. It is not the text that you guys will be reading today and tomorrow, it's a different one. And we're going to focus on main idea, or what the story or the text is mostly about, and how we can summarize the text. So again, focusing on main idea and summarizing today on Monday. You guys are then going to read the text, Wonders of the Night Sky. This is in your Small Green Wonders textbook. So you have this one at home. It's that hardcover book. It's the smaller one on pages 280 to 283. After you read that text, if for some reason you can't find it, here's a copy of it right here. Then you are going to respond to this discussion board post. I might even suggest that you actually read through this first before you begin reading. We will talk about it in our morning meeting, but just to be clear on the directions, read this and read through the directions and then read the text. After that, you are going to go on to week 22 in vocab. Here is day 1. So here are the words and definitions if you'd like to print them, and day 1 of vocab. Tuesday is going to look very similar. However, today, instead of focusing on main idea and summarizing, we're going to focus on the text structure, or how the author organized each section of the text. Today, we're going to go through, you have a teacher video that you're going to watch first, where I model identifying the text structure and talking about how it helped me to better understand this text. Then you guys are going to go back and reread Wonders of the Night Sky. Again, I'd recommend opening this discussion board post first to see what it is that, why your purpose for reading, basically, why you're reading, what it is you're looking for. And then go back and reread the text. Today you have vocab day 2 right here, and then we're moving into Wednesday. Wednesday we are going to read 2 different texts, Prairie Ecology and Why Koalas Look So Cute in Trees. You have a practice FSA test here. Guys, this will be counted as a test grade. I cannot reset these tests. Please take your time and answer each question very carefully. Remember that oftentimes on these assessments, there are more than one answer choice, or 2 or more answer choices that really do make sense. So you have to take your time and narrow it down to which is the best answer choice. After that, you have your vocab day 3 video, and then we're going into Thursday. We know that Thursday, that's the big day, guys. That's the writing FSA. You will not have any additional reading assignments today to complete. The only other assignment you have is in math. On Friday, we're going to go over and review the practice FSA test that you did on Wednesday. And your only other assignment for today in reading is going to be to watch day 4 of vocab and then study your words from week 21 and week 22 and complete this vocabulary quiz. That's your week in reading. If you have any questions, please let me know.